Your Ford Ranger's 4.0-liter V6 sounds completely flat from the factory, and that engine deserves way better. The right exhaust wakes it up, adds real torque, and gives it a tone that actually matches the truck's attitude. All links are in the video description. Let's get into the 7 best options. Starting at number 7, the Flowmaster American Thunder runs 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless into a Super 50 muffler with dual exits and 3-inch polished tips. Moderate sound, factory fit, lifetime warranty. Let's fire it up. At number 6, the Gibson Dual Extreme exits behind each rear tire. Packs a Superflow baffled muffler for deep aggressive tone with minimal drone, and is dyno proven for 10 to 15 horsepower and 15 to 20 foot-pounds of torque gains. Let's wake the neighbors. Number 5. The Gibson Split Rear delivers the same dyno-proven 10 to 15 horsepower and 15 to 20 foot-pounds of torque as the Dual Extreme. Same Superflow muffler, but exits clean out the back. Bolt-on, no welding, lifetime warranty. Let's hear that beast.
Yep. All right, it's recording.
At number 4, the Gibson Dual Sport runs a Superflow baffled muffler with no internal packing for aggressive tone and less cabin noise than most competitors. Same dyno-proven gains. T304 stainless tips. Let's get loud. Number 3. The MagnaFlow Street Series is CNC built in the USA, 3D scanned for perfect fitment, and delivers moderate exterior with mild interior tone through a 2.5-inch straight-through muffler and 3.5-inch polished single-wall tip. Let's unleash it. At number 2, the MBRP Armor Plus is a clean 2.5-inch D409 stainless tour profile catback, single side exit, 3.5-inch rolled tip, no nonsense build, lifetime warranty. Let's drop the hammer. 1, the MagnaFlow Off-Road Pro Series hugs the undercarriage for maximum ground clearance with a pre-axle turn-down exit. Very aggressive exterior and aggressive interior sound. Emissions legal. CNC, built in the USA. Limited lifetime warranty. Let's send it. Seven exhausts for the Ranger's 4.0-liter V6, from mild street rumble to full off-road aggression. Every link is in the video description. Go grab your pick. If this helped, smash that subscribe button. More Ranger content is on the way.